What is Papa doing tonight? Papa's gonna have some fun. He's gonna cook some trendy stuff. Pickle brine, pickle and buttermilk brine. It's been about 2 hours in the refrigerator, that's all you need. Let's get this started. I'm gonna make a beautiful cabbage dish. It's got some pineapple, some soy, some garlic, some ginger, some cashews, and maybe a couple other little secret things. So we could just shake these off. Like an oven. So as the chicken's roasting here, we're going to get ready to do the cabbage. Now, you know, cabbage is kind of like, it's a Brussels sprouts are a family. In both things, when I was growing up, people didn't really eat cabbage that much. Now it's very trendy and it's very tasty. So we're getting the oil on here. Now you notice I didn't season the chicken. I'm not going to season until I turn it over because I don't want to burn the desert gold. That looks beautiful. So it's a trendy dish. We've got the cabbage, which I told you is very trendy. And we also have the buttermilk brine, which is a classic, okay? And generally I don't brine. But the pickle brine, the acidity in the pickle and stuff, gives it some great flavor and it really keeps the chicken moist. Now what I've done, just so you know, I put the marinade in the bag, but first I pounded the chicken so where it's an even thickness, so I don't have a problem where the outsides are overdone and the inside's not done. See what we got here? With that all-important desert gold. Desert gold is just going to play really well. It's got lemon, it's got citrus, it's got sesame. It's kind of Mediterranean meets Asian meets California, which to me is kind of perfect. So I think we got a good enough head start. Start with the onions. The onions are going to get some little louis. Seasoned garlic, salt, and black pepper. Add some red bell pepper for color and flavor. The water to steam. Oil. Dash of desert gold too to go with the little louis. And let's look at all these boxes. I can do one of those shell games. Woohoo! Check. Over here on the hotter side. Okay. Time for the cabbage. Caramelize some pineapple. Little secret with pineapple, I've told you before. Hit it with a little salt. I'm using a little Louis because it'll pull the sugar to the surface and it'll caramelize with the heat, which is really cool. Now here's where it gets exciting. On the cabbage. Little Louis. Check the temperature on my chicken. Little more desert gold on this side. I like that. Okay, that one's pretty much done. Pretty good color, huh? That one's not quite done. Want to caramelize this to a real nutty flavor. A couple surprises coming in here. Cashews, garlic, a little bit less ginger. And with some light soy. All the cashews in there. A couple of nuts for the nut. Check temp here. Real close. Just for a taste. Delicious. Now we want just a little bit of acid. And that's going to be in the form of just a little bit of pickle juice. Love it. Salty, tangy. Slice it up. Okay. Okay, we beat the daylight. That's what I was trying to do.